So this is a discovery kit.
Yep.
Reimagine what's possible.
Unbox the Encanto Discovery Kit. This is the Pale Ale.
Ooh, one of the
Nice.
best pails.
Lager.
Ooh, who doesn't like a good lager?
Mango Nation. Ooh,
Siyempre,
Philippine
Filipino.
Mango. Honey Ale.
Ooh, award-winning.
And, this is my favorite one. Double
Green
IPA.
lava.
8%.
And they also added, whoa,
Ooh.
they've got merch.
2 glasses. And
Encanto.
and the bottle opener. Nice.
Yeah, nice. Thank you to our friends from Encanto Brewery for sending over this discovery kit. We're definitely going to share this with our guests. Actually, where can we buy more?
We can buy on their website, encanto.com.ph. Let's check it out. Free Metro Manila shipping on orders above 1,000 pesos.
Nice.
May 10% discount pa. Damn. A lot of
Gotta
discounts.
sign up.
So they have the beers, 7 beers. You can get the discovery kit actually. Tapos,
Nice, they got merch.
Ooh, merch. Okay, I want the cap.
Get us caps.
2 caps. What do you want? The cap?
I want the white cap.
White cap. White. Sige nga. 2. Let's get 2. Let's try the ube.
Let's try the ube lager.
Ooh,
Looks
ube
really good.
laber.
Laber,
Ube
Liver
laber.
laber, boy.
Ube lager laber. 24 bottles, 1 case, best value.
Free shipping, baby.
5.5.
Check it out.
Caps and beers. Check out Encanto. Game.
Boom.
All right.
The Mental Assassin. Justin Piñon is a mentalist. If you don't know what that means, you're in for a treat.
In this episode, you get a peek into the life of a mind reader, learn about psychology and human behavior, and witness some mind-blowing tricks.
This episode is a must-watch on video. Check it out.
With our special guest. Good conversation. Get to know other people, what they do with their lives.
It's called Sour Taste. It's nice to say, it's nice to hear, it's nice to see.
The Sour Taste Podcast.
Blow your mind, boy.
Drip for the off-whites. My shit good like it's so nice. Now I'm sipping gin cause I hate wine. And I got the juice but it ain't mine. Yeah, I ain't lying. She got me so high. I gotta be mine.
Podcast.
101 muna tayo on mentalism or mentalist. Ano yung mentalist? Hindi pa siya common na term eh. Narinig ko lang nga siya first time nung na-mention ni Ralph when he guested. Si Ralph T. Magician, shoutout.
Yeah,
Shout out, Ralph.
Na-mention niya mentalism, tapos may ginawa siyang trick. So, Justin,
Yep.
ano yung mentalism?
So basically, mentalism is a branch of magic. So you met Ralph. He's a magician.
Yeah.
So there are different branches of magic. Merong close-up magic, like yung ginawa ni Ralph.
Okay.
Merong illusion, yung mga nakikita niya sa big stage with disappearing women, cutting people in half. Illusion yun.
Yeah.
Meron din tinatawag na parlor. Yung, hindi yung parlor na sa air, no? Parlor is parang small stage with small group of people. Like yung mga nakikita natin sa mga bars dito.
Okay.
So it's a parlor setup.
First time ko narinig yun.
Yeah, and another branch is mentalism, which is my art form. So mentalism is basically a performance art where we show the power of the mind. So doon kami
Okay.
nag-focus sa mind. So kung yung iba, sleight of hand, illusion kami, power of the mind, sleight of mouth, ganon. So, and doon naman sa umbrella ng mentalism, meron ding iba't ibang klaseng mentalists. So, merong mentalist na tinatawag na spiritualist. So, ibig sabihin, he can read minds to the spirits. So,
Wow, talaga?
So, for example, sasabihin niya, think of a word. I have a friend named Casper. He will figure out your word. He will tell me the word. Parang ganon. So, it involves spirits.
May kilala kang ganun?
Wala akong kilalang ganun. Pero ang pinakamalapit, pero hindi naman siya entertainer. Parang imagine Ed Kaluwag. Parang ganon. But he's not an entertainer. He's a spirit questor. Pero imagine him performing on stage. Parang ganon. Yeah. So, maraming ganun sa ibang bansa, mga spiritualists.
Actually, pinag-isipan namin yun last time nung nag-shoot kami with our friends. Parang gusto namin nung isang pang spirit person na wala lang.
Actually, may kilala ako. Look for Robert Rubin.
Okay.
Ganun siya. Yeah.
Feeling ko nakakatakot. Di ba nakakatakot yung
I
something
would be
like that?
I don't know kasi ayoko. Ayokong ma-experience kasi ako mismo natatakot ako. Yun, kaya hindi ko siguro pinasok yung world
yung
na yun.
ganun.
Another is called psychic. So,
Okay, psychic.
sila naman yung mga nakakarinig ng thoughts mo, nakakakita ng future, can read your palm, gano'n, yung mga gano'n.
Mga
Yung
tarot reading,
tarot
gano'n.
reading, gano'n.
Yung
So,
mga psychic and yung spiritualist, are they born with it? Or
sabi nila,
You can learn it.
You can learn it, yeah.
Talaga?
Most of them, nung nakakausap ko sila, they learned it. So,
Talaga?
na-acquire nila. Yung iba naman, sinasabi, pinanganak ka ng gano'n.
Oo.
I don't know. So, ako naman, I'm not psychic. I have no supernatural abilities. I cannot see the future. Kahit marami nagtatanong sa akin ng mga lotto results, sinitro naman. Tapos may mga may message sa akin, sino mga katuluyan ko, hindi ko kilala.
Okay.
Pati love eh, no?
Kasi I cannot see the future, wala akong powers. But I can read minds through psychology, observation, body language reading.
Okay.
So yun yung mga pinag-aralan ko in order for me to replicate those psychic phenomena.
So parang question, nung college ba, psych ba yung kinuha mo?
Hindi actually.
Hindi.
Business management. So malayo. Nagagamit ko naman siya ngayon sa sarili ko. Yeah, but hindi. Pero nag-aral ako after nung nalaman ko na gusto kong maging mentalist, pinag-aralan ko yung mga yan, yung mga human
okay.
behavior, naghanap ako ng mga mentors.
Okay. Kailan nag-start yun?
So nag-start siya,
Parang, I wanna try mentalism.
yeah, nag-start siya actually college din.
College, okay.
So around 21 years.
Okay.
So I had this ex-girlfriend. Nagsimula siya sa pag-ibig.
Sa pag-ibig?
Yeah.
Talaga para.
Mayroon akong ex-girlfriend. We were in a relationship since third year high school. So nag-decide kami. Dati kasi same kami ng school.
Okay.
No high school. So sabi namin pagdating ng college, kung pwede tayong same school or magkatabi. So nag-aral ako sa San Beda, siya sa Holy Spirit.
Okay.
So sa 5th year ng relationship namin, may nangyari. Nakipag-break siya sa akin.
Okay.
Okay, so may nahanap siyang iba.
ipunta.
Pinagpalit niya ako sa classmate niya.
Dapat pala hindi tayo naghiwalay ng school.
Oo. So, yun, after nun, siya yung first girlfriend ko. Hindi pa ako experience ng breakup. Hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Yung mga napapanood natin sa movies nangyari sa akin yun. Yung
shit.
hindi ako makaalis ng bahay, hindi ako makakain, yung nagagalit na sa akin yung parents ko kasi hindi ako pumapasok sa school, classmates ko, friends ko, hindi na ako nakikita. So pinupunta nila ako sa bahay, oh Justin, hinihila nila ako palabas ng kama. Sabi,
Ang movie
inom
talaga
tayo
yung breakup
konti.
na yun.
Tapos, Justin, maligo ka naman ng baho mo. Kasi sobrang depressed ako. Hindi ko alam. First breakup eh. So, after a year or so of trying to move on, bigla ko na lang na-realize, what if I can read minds? Kasi kung nakakabasa ko ng isip, malalaman ko na ipagpapalit na pala niya ako. Or what if I can hypnotize people? I'll just hypnotize her to get back with me. So, isa yung mga naging motivation ko noong time na yun. So, I research. So, based on my research, kailangan mo daw maging kailangan mo daw maging psychic in order for you to read minds. So, naghanap ako sino ba mga psychic dito. Then, na-meet ko si Jaime Licauco. I don't know if you heard of him. He's one of the parang famous psychic researchers here. But he passed away na.
Okay.
So, I met him. I joined his classes. Tapos, yung mga ginagawa niya, at saka yung mga kasama ko doon, hindi ko magawa-gawa. Yung mga tuturo siya kung paano maging cognitive, paano mo makikita yung future. Tapos, minsan nagbe-bend pa sila ng mga metals. Hindi ko
Yung mga spoon?
Yeah, yung mga spoon. Yeah. Oo, yung mga spoon, binibend. Siya mismo kaya na. Pero, hindi ko.
What?
Hindi ko magawa.
Parang The Matrix yan.
Parang ganun. Hindi ko magawa. Sabi ko, Sir Jimmy, what's happening? Bakit hindi ko kaya? Sabi niya, baka hindi pa open yung third eye ko, hindi pa ako ready. Yung mga ganun. So
may ganun din.
Oo parang he will teach you how parang ganun.
I mean, so parang third eye is not necessarily like for the spirit, the spiritual realm.
Yeah.
Basically, it's unlocking something in your mind.
Yes. Ang explanation nila, di ba, sabi, parang, you only use 10% of our minds right now. So, ano yung iba?
90.
Yun, kasama yung third eye doon. So, hindi ko na naman magawa-gawa. So, at the verge of giving up, naglalakad ako sa mall. Tapos, pumasok ako sa bookstore. May nakita akong book. The title of the book is Definitive Book of Body Language by Alan Pease and Barbara Pease.
Okay.
After reading the book, na-realize ko, hindi ko pala kailangan maging psychic. Kailangan ko lang matuto magbasa ng body language. Kasi body language daw, whatever you are thinking of, lalabas siya as a gesture. So, a small example is if we are happy, automatically we smile, right? We frown. Well, hindi natin inutusan. So, okay. So, if we thought of something, may makikita kang gesture para malaman kung ano yun. Doon ako naging fascinated. So, naghanap ako ng mentors. Naging mentor ko actually yung authors, si Alan Pease and Barbara Pease. Pero noong time na yun, wala pang online stuff nun eh. So,
Wait, saan sila they're from
Australian
Australia?
sila.
Okay.
So, hinanap ko din sila. May ligaw maghanap ng tao. Like, so,
It been working. Gumagana.
I emailed them. I tried talking to them. Pero sumasagot lang sa akin yung mga staff nila.
Okay.
So, until one time, naabutan ko online sa Skype. Si Alan, Skype pa nun. Online siya. Ting!
Skype.
Minessage ko na. I took the opportunity. Nakipag-video call ako. Nag-demonstrate ako sa kanya. Natuwa siya. Parang, from reading our book, you can do this now. Wow, Justin, okay. We'll mentor you. So, yung mga staff nilang sinasabi sa akin, you have to be in Australia kasi wala pa sila mga online courses eh. So, yung dalawang mag-asawa, pumayag sila, tinuruan nila ako online through Skype for a couple of months. And then, parang pumayag, kasi another work I have is, aside from performing, companies hire me to teach them. I'm also a corporate trainer.
Okay.
So, I teach sales, body language, persuasion.
Okay.
So, isa yun sa mga una kong naging trabaho. So, tinuruan nila ako, tinuturo ko yung modules nila. So, pinayagan nila. Hanggang sa nakahanap na ako na sarili kong modules to teach now. So, yun yung 2 jobs ko.
Okay.
And I'm sure you're asking, nagkabalikan ba sila ni Justin?
Oo nga, nagkabalikan ba kayo?
While learning all of those things for a couple of years, na-realize ko, naka-move on na pala ako. Parang, okay na ako. Parang,
Indirectly nakalimutan mo yung breakup.
And ito nga yung question ko, nagamit mo ba siya sa labas? Reading body language?
Yes,
parang, trip ako nito.
Yeah. Actually, di ba nga sabi nila, with great power comes great responsibility. Hindi ko na-realize yun. So, lahat nagamit ko sa girls, sa gambling, sa lahat. Yeah. As in, nung single pa ako, every
Huwag natin
weekend.
ka-poker to.
Oo nga, talo tayo dito.
May story din ako dyan.
Sige.
So, every weekend talaga, lumalabas ako sa mga bars, clubs, to meet women, to
Keys to
test
the
my
VIP.
skills.
Shit, ang galing.
Parang keys to the VIP,
di ba?
Yeah.
Exactly.
And then I met parang a group of people who practice that, yung mga nasa keys to the VIP. Na-meet ko sila. Sumasama ako sa kanila.
Ibang form of mentalism. Art form yun.
Makeup artist.
Yes, exactly. Yun. So sama ko sa kanila. Tapos, parang mentor sila na parang, paano mo ginawa yun, yung ganun. Okay. So, pero actually, good thing about it is natuto kong hindi maging mahiyain. Nagagamit ko siya sa business talaga, sa sales.
Confidence, no?
Una lang yung mga girls. Pero at the long run, na-realize ko, magagamit ko pala ito sa real world talaga. You've been speaking to people, gano'n.
Business-wise din, di ba?
Yeah.
You can parang read someone based off what you
I
said.
guess negotiation yung
Yes.
pinaka...
Also, yung pinaka nagagamit ko ito, yung tinatawag nilang elevator pitch. Like, for example, nakasabay mo sa elevator yung one of the key people of the company. You have to close a deal habang paakyat. So, isa yun sa mga isa sa mga factors dun sa keys to the VIP.
True.
Di ba, kailangan may makuha kang number in a couple of
yun yung goal eh.
seconds, di ba? Or makuha mo yung loob niya. So, yun yung nagagamit ko siya sa sales part naman sa business. Yun. Tsaka sa poker, yes. Dati kasi merong I don't know if you heard about Elbow Room sa Ortigas.
Familiar.
Poker club siya. Na weekly din may tournament sila. So sumasali ako doon. Lagi ako nananalo. Until one night, biglang nagkaroon kasi ako ng parang TV special sa GMA.
Nice.
Nag-replay. Lalaro kami.
Ito to Si mental assassin to.
Kaya ako pala nananalo. Tapos after nun, wala na gusto makipaglaro sa akin. Pagdating ko, andito na si Justin.
Shit.
Basang-basa ka na.
Yun.
Sobrang dali ba ng poker? Like, nababasa mo, ito, nag-bullshit to, nagbo-bluff to.
Hindi ganun kadali, pero once na makilala mo yung isang tao, kasi we have our tells nga. So we have different, unique tells.
Correct.
Yeah.
Once na nalaman ko na yung tell mo, alam ko na. Pero,
consistent talaga yung mga tells ng isang tao.
Yes,
like,
yeah.
all that, talaga.
yeah. And pero meron mga mahirap like small tells, micro expressions.
Expressions.
Yung mga elevator pitch, like how does it go? Paano siya nagiging, how did you hone that craft? Parang ano yung, what goes into it?
So, dapat you have to build instant rapport dun pa lang sa pagpasok niya. So, meron akong nilabas na book na ang tawag doon is 3-hit combo. There are 3 facial gestures that you do na magkakaroon ng instant rapport sa kausap mo. Kaya kasi most of the time naman kahit hindi mo
Okay,
pakilala yung
notes
tao,
ako.
Notes to.
di ba, nakataas yung barrier niya.
Yep.
Na automatic, like for example, sa mall, may lumapit sa'yo, magbigay ng ano.
Yeah.
So, no.
Sorry.
Malayo pa lang siya. So,
Sir, yung flyer. Okay.
kahit di ba siya nagsasalita, parang no. Lalay ko na. So, kailangan meron kang facial gestures na pwedeng gawin na automatic magkakaroon ng instant rapport. So, gusto mo sabihin ko yung gestures?
Sige,
na yun?
gusto ko i-try.
Okay. So, 3 gestures. Ang pinaka-goal mo dito is yung magawa yung tinatawag ng mirroring. Mirroring kasi, na-experience na ba na first time yun lang na-meet yung isang tao tapos parang forever na kayo magkakilala?
Yep.
Yeah. So there are a couple of mirroring scenarios na nangyari doon, like maybe same clothes, same gestures, same birthday, same experiences, ganun. So yun ang i-create mo, mirroring scenario. So what are those 3 gestures? So 3 gestures na yun, pag ginawa mo yun, magkakaroon siya ng automatic reciprocal effect. So wala siyang magagawa kundi gayahin yung gestures na yun. So first gesture is called the eyebrow flash. Ganun. Diba? Napagano ka din.
Okay.
Yeah. So, pag in-eyebrow flash ka, automatic mapapa-eyebrow flash din yung taong kausap mo.
Actually, true Kasi kahit sa mall, naglalakad ka, gumanon ka, may automatic rin na
actually.
gaganon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, sa body language, pag nakataas yung eyebrows, ibig sabihin nito submissive. Diba kung anong iniisip mo, lalabas siya as a gesture and vice versa. Kung anong pinagawa mo sa sarili mong body language or sa body language ng kausap mo, yun din yung papasok sa utak niya. So when you do this at gumaya siya, magiging submissive siya automatically.
Okay.
So kahit anong sabihin mo sa kanya, tatanggapin niya. Diba, subukan nyo lang, maglakad sa mall, gumanong ka, papaganon siya, tapos kausapin mo, hindi ka niya ibablock, kakausapin ka din niya. Okay, so eyebrow flashing. Ang kabaliktaran ng eyebrow flashing is ito, di ba, parang aggressive.
Parang aggressive na galit. Okay.
So, next is smiling.
Yes.
Yun yung
smiling.
pinaka na hindi natin nagagamit masyado. Yung smiling kasi may reciprocal effect din siya. When you smile, the other person smiles back automatically, di ba? And sabi nila yung genuine smile is nakalabas yung teeth and yung mayroong 3 wrinkles dito, crow's feet.
Ako yun.
Labas
Yeah.
teeth.
Yun ang genuine smile. Pero kapag gusto mo lang mag-register as real smile, yung smile mo, just show your teeth. Ganun.
Okay.
And automatic reciprocal effect. Last, yung pinakamalakas at ginagamit ko palagi is head nodding. Every time you say something important, you nod your head. This
Gets.
product is good for your health.
Yeah.
Right? So after 3 months, ROI ka dito. Ganun, di ba? So every time you say something important or if you want to encourage agreement, nod your head.
So you're persuading these people that you speak to na parang to agree with you.
Yeah. Okay. So paano yun? Di ba 3 gestures yun? You combine those gestures. Right?
All in one.
Simple ba?
Oo nga Like all in one. Okay.
Yeah. So ang maganda doon, kahit isa lang yung gayahin niya, pasok na.
Pasok na.
Oo. So pagpasok pa lang niya ng elevator, hi, ganun na. Isa lang gayahin niya, pasok na ako. So yun na yung first step in ko sa elevator pitch.
What if hindi niya gayahin?
Hindi nangyayari.
Talaga?
Hindi nga.
Oh, hindi nangyayari. Yeah.
Pero kailangan mag-eye contact
Of course. Oo.
Okay.
So yun ang number 1. Eye contact muna. Next is respect their personal space. Like may
Yun
tinatawag
nga,
na cold approach eh. Yung cold approach yung tipong hindi mo pa kilala tapos lapitan mo offer your product. So respect their personal space first. Hindi ka pwedeng lumapit tapos mag 3-hit combo ka.
Yun nga eh.
Hello.
Ay, sabihin nila, manyak look yan. Diba? So malayo muna, tapos eye contact, tapos 3-hit combo. Pag ginaya ka, at least 1, doon ka na pwede pumasok.
Okay.
That's a good
Good tip.
That's a good tip.
Oh.
Galing.
Ang interesting nga na hindi ko niisip when we were planning on this podcast na nag-aral ka ng body language. Kala ko puro basa-basa. More on ano rin pala. Ano yung apply
Actual,
mo
on the
so that
Yeah,
people
yeah.
will
Correct.
interact and then engage with you. Oh, shit. Okay.
Galing nun.
Galing.
Okay. Trying to think. Ano pa ba?
So nagpe-perform ka.
Yes, I do.
It's all mentalism?
Correct,
Or
yeah.
may halong magician type of ano rin
Ano
ba?
ako mayroon tinatawag na purist. I'm a purist. So,
Okay.
I just do mentalism lang.
Okay. Well, nalilabel lang siguro ng magic kasi para siyang
Yeah.
like
Pero
wild trick.
I don't really care if people call it magic.
Okay.
lang. Kasi branch naman talaga siya ng magic. So, kasi minsan, kung nahihirapan ako mag-explain, magic.
Para simple lang.
Oo, yun.
Okay.
Pero branch siya ng magic. Yan. Pero actually, when I perform in my intro, I don't say that I'm a mentalist. Sabi ko lang, I'm Justin and I can read minds. Ganun.
Okay.
Plain and simple.
Oo.
Ayun nga, yung mentalism kasi na term parang hindi pa siya, I guess, very common.
Yung iba
so
pa-
maganda nga yung I read minds.
Yeah, yung iba pa nga nagjo-joke na mentalism saan ka galing sa mga ganun, di ba? Pero okay din siya, conversational.
Gets.
The only, like, one of the mentalists na I know, si Oz the Mentalist.
Yeah, he's very famous now.
He's really famous.
Talaga.
Like, wild yung ginagawa niya. Like, he can guess your pin code.
Yeah,
Parang ganun.
yeah.
Hindi ko alam kung paano yan. I don't know how. Maybe you might understand. Pero like, grabe. That's crazy.
Yeah, a good thing about him is, sobrang tagal na niya sa industry. As in, nag-uumpisa pa lang ako, nandun na siya. And he does tutorials for magicians way back before pa siya na sumikat. Ganun. So, everybody in the industry worldwide knows him din.
Yeah.
Kaya everybody's happy na he's doing
Yeah.
good now.
Sino yung idol mo in terms of mentalism?
His name is Darren Brown. I don't know if you heard of him.
Darren Brown.
Darren Brown. He's from the UK. Ano siya? Superstar siya, talaga siya. doon. Para siyang David Blaine ng UK. So his name is Darren Brown. Talagang mentalist din siya. And siya talaga yung model of excellence. Like, what would Darren do? Parang ganun. Yeah. That's why I also learned more about body language and NLP kasi yun din yung style niya.
Yeah.
Lahat ba ng tao readable talaga?
Yes.
Nisip ko yung mga either nonchalant, yung mga weird din siguro. May mga ibang eccentric na alam mo hindi nagre-react, poker face, I don't know, big CEOs or type na tao. Pati sila nagkakatel or mas mahirap?
na-encounter na ganyan. As in, pero may mga ways. Sabi nga nila, ang pinakamagandang analogy dyan is walang padlock na ever na hindi mo mabubuksan.
So lahat meron.
Merong easy, merong hard, pero everybody, you can.
Yeah.
So hindi actually yung skill ko, hindi ko naman siya 100% accurate. Like I can
Nagkakamali rin?
Yeah, I can misinterpret your body language
Okay.
But there are ways na since I'm a performer, there are ways na I can cover it up na maging part siya ng performance.
Okay. Is it possible for you to tell when someone's lying?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Instantly.
Not instantly.
Okay.
I still have like to observe, speak to
Okay,
them a
hindi
little
kagad.
bit.
Parang, okay.
To know what are their tells. Kasi we have different yeses and nos sa body language natin. So we are all unique. So I have to be in front of you first, talk to you a little bit.
Gets.
Ito know kung ano yung mga, ito yung mga yes na, ito yung mga no na. So mamaya pa nagsinungaling siya. Pero meron tayong mga universal body language gestures to know instantly. Ito yung tinatawag na 3 wise monkeys. So 3 wise monkeys, naalala niyo mga display sa bahay dati na may monkey na nakaganon. So di ba, we have the conscious and the subconscious mind. Yung conscious mind, yun yung nakokontrol natin, yun yung nauutusan natin, yun yung nagsasabi sa atin ng dapat gawin. Subconscious, alam lang niya yung truth and now. So when you lie, subconsciously, like for example sa see no evil, subconsciously you don't want to look at the person you're lying to.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi
yun yung alam ko
magigilty ka.
Liars will not make eye contact.
Yep.
Or,
But consciously, sinasabi niya na,
Tignan mo.
you have to look straight. Kasi pag umalis ka, malalaman niya. So, ang tendency mo is mag-rub ng eye. Ganun. So, mag-rub siya ng eye kasi sinasabi ng subconscious mind niya, wag mong tignan ba yung conscious mind niya? Balikan mo. Yun yung see no evil, rub ng eye. Hear no evil naman, ganun din. You don't want to hear your own words na lumalabas, yung mga lies mo, ayaw mong marinig. So, yung tendency mo is to scratch your ear. Speak no evil naman, your tendency mo is to cover your mouth. Like, alam mo kahapon, pumunta ako sa grocery. Yan, yung mga ganun.
okay.
Alam mo, mahal na mahal kita.
Paano kung Makati lang talaga?
Pero may tinatawag na context. So you have to read the context of the situation kung ba't niya ginawa yun. Kasi meron din no scratch. So sa no scratch, you can be lying. Pwede naman may kulangot siya.
Okay.
Mas conscious na ako. I rub my eyes a lot.
Well, yun na.
Baka biglang magwapas ito. Uy, nagsisinungaling.
Actually, part siya ng context. Kung umpisa pa na nakita ko, you rub your eyes a lot. Okay. Normal siya.
Normal siya.
Tanggal na yan. Shit.
Ako before, parang I heard na when you're trying to explain something to someone, syempre, you're lying. You tend to look parang top left or something. May ganun
Yeah. It depends on the person.
May ganun.
Sa NLP naman yun.
Kasi parang yun ata yung you're trying to make up something in your mind
Nasa
to,
nag-iisip.
as a lie. But if you're telling the truth, you look top right or something, may ganun na.
Meron, yeah.
You're trying to get it back from your memories.
Yes,
Dun mo
yes,
hinahata.
Right and left.
Yeah, so
May ganun. I'm not sure kung
here's
accurate
the
yun.
explanation. So in my mind, pag tinitingnan kita, merong C, merong R sa taas. C means construct. Pag tumingin ka dito, you're constructing something. R is recall, recall mo.
Ganda na na. Galing.
C,
Damn.
Yeah. So construct,
I like that.
pero when you say construct, it doesn't mean that the person is lying. Baka naman literally
Trying to think of an idea.
Yeah. So pero pag when the person is explaining tapos nag-construct siya, oy, teka lang. Parang nagpa-fabricate siya, ganon. Pag dito naman sa kabila, R, recall, talagang ni-recall niya. Pero minsan halo-halo yan.
Yun nga eh.
So dun na yung parang ano mo, initiative mo, intuition mo para malaman kung ano yung mga yan. So marami yan. Meron naman dito sa sides. Pag sa sobrang side naman, ano siya, kasi 'di ba, we get information, we process information through our senses.
Yeah.
So pag kaya siya tumitingin sa taas, he's processing the information that you are asking him or you are telling him through through sight, parang through images, parang ganun. So visual yung tawag doon. Next naman is auditory. Minsan naman to the sides. May naka-encounter ba kayo ng tao na parang lagi nagtitilt ng head pag nagsasalita ka? So
Meron.
yeah, auditory siya. So parang he's really listening to you. Ganon, parang ganon. Meron naman looking downwards, feelings yun. Parang they are searching their feelings. Yeah, so pag nagtatanong ka, bigla siyang bumaba ng ganon. Iniisip niya kung anong na-feel niya nung time na yun.
Okay. Shit, ang galing.
Yeah.
Lahat yan biological lang talaga. Humans
Yeah.
just do them.
Yes, it's normal for
Oo.
us. Parang think of it as a computer.
No,
Parang meron tayong-
yung main base ng system nila is ito, pare-pareho lahat
Yeah,
across
oo.
all nationalities,
Yes, pero meron din
gender.
tinatawag na prevalent na ano ka, mas visual ka ba, mas auditory ka, mas
yeah, may
kinesthetic ka. Meron din naman at the moment, you are kinesthetic at the moment. Parang ganun. Yeah. So everywhere, kahit saan ka pumunta, it's universal.
Nagagamit yun sa non-performing, non-work stuff na parang kung nagla-lunch ka lang with friends, tapos parang naka-on ba parang si Jello, parang yun yung question bothered siya.
Kaya ka na naman, Jello. Actually, before, nung nag-start ako, yes, sobrang ano talaga. ako.
Aware.
Oo eh. Pero ngayon, parang hindi na. Parang kung
Okay.
ganito, normal conversation, naka-off siya. Kasi mas masaya eh. Di ba? Mas masaya.
okay,
Mas masaya pa rin. Pero dati talagang, itong kaibigan ko. Ganun. Pero dati talaga kasi pinapractice ko siya.
Yes,
parang
gets.
hot na hot pa ako gawin yung mga yan. Diba? Yung sobrang yung bata pa ako. Parang kasing edad ko si Ralph. Yan. Yun, ganun. So, ngayon hindi na. Parang relax na ako.
Okay.
If needed lang.
You're married.
Yes, I am.
Nagamit mo yun to get the wife.
Actually,
Use your
funny
skill. I'm sure,
story.
no?
Funny story. Na-meet ko siya 11 years ago. We're 10 years married. So, na-meet
okay.
ko siya 11, 12 years ago. Kinuha ko ng company nila to talk about sales and persuasion.
Okay.
Nandun siya. Hindi ko siya napapansin nung una. Napansin ko na siya after na nung run nung talks ko. Naging best friend ko siya. Natuwa ako kasi sa company nila, yung tinuturo ko na NLP, tinuturo din niya sa
Okay.
team niya. Parang, uy, okay parang ako ng mga ano. Tapos,
Okay.
dinatry kong basahin yung isip niya, never ko magawa. Alam niya kung paano i-evade. Block! Like for example, I ask her, one time lang,
She's the one.
think of a number, any number at all. Inisip niya, 3.14. Sabi ko, paano ko? ang normal na tao, isipin nila. Isipin nila walang decimal points.
Oo nga, actually normal is like 5. Parang ganun, diba?
So, parang tapos yun. Doon nag-umpisa yung friendship namin. Naging mag-best friends kami muna. Tapos na-develop na hanggang sa yun. Married na kami ngayon.
Good doon siya na-attract. Parang,
Doon,
I cannot read
Actually,
you.
nga.
Kasi kung sanay ka talaga to read people, di ba? May hirapan ka rin to, I mean, you'd find someone attracted na you can't read, I guess.
Yung unique factor nila, parang, uy, iba to ah.
Yeah, nag-stand out siya.
Nag-stand out siya.
So you said, di ba, you train people sales and sales. Ano yung mga tips mo for them? Sales-wise, ano yung mga tips usually?
So, ang pinaka-core tip ko talaga, yung sales and persuasion course ko kasi, it's called Good Intentions.
Okay.
So, you can sell things using your intention. So, pag nalaman mo kung bakit mo ginagawa yung ginagawa mo. Kasi I'm sure naka-encounter na kayo ng salesperson na pinapagahan lang ako nito Or, di ba? Or parang pinipilit niya, bilhin mo to.
Yes.
Kailangan mo to. So nakita mo na parang pampuno lang ba ng quota niya, tapos lalo kang lalayo.
Yeah.
Because we can feel each other's intention. Right? Malalaman mo kung lolokohin ka lang niya. Innate yun sa atin. For me, that's our supernatural abilities. So if your intention is clear, the moment na makita ka ng isang tao, makakamdaman niya yun. Di ba? I'm sure nakaranas na kayo na you bought an item from a person kahit di mo naman kailangan, pero binili mo kasi mabait siya.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Yan. So, yun ang number 1 ko. You have to know your intention. Bakit mo ginagawa mo? Kasi makakamdaman niya yun.
Okay. Ano yung lumalabas lang as energy?
Parang ganun
Quote-unquote
we
energy.
feel it. I don't know if it's energy or or maybe kasi innate din sa atin magbasa ng body language, hindi lang natin alam. So baka like yung girls, mas they are born na mas sensitive sila sa body language ng tao kasi they bear a child. 'Di ba yung bata isang iyak lang alam nila if gutom, inaantok. Kasi yung mga girls, yun yung ano nila, mas mas hyper aware.
Hyper-aware.
Yeah. So innate sa kanila kaya minsan nalalaman nila kung niloloko lang gano'n yan. Oo.
Interesting.
So lahat ng tinuturo, yung label mo as that is a trainer or
corporate trainer.
Corporate trainer.
Trainer.
Tapos lahat sales.
Yes, sales and persuasion.
Okay. Paano mo na kuha yun as one of your roles after studying body language, mentalism?
So after nung nag-umpisa pa lang ako after performing, is yun sa company na pinagpo-performan ko. Kasi may niche since the beginning talaga are corporate events. So
Ayan is just perform to entertain?
Yes.
Okay.
So one time sabi sa akin nung HR, Justin, do you teach ba?
Okay.
Ganon. Sabi ko, I don't teach exactly mentalism, but I can teach you my ways. Yung mga body language. Sige, let's try. Tapos doon na nag-umpisa.
Okay.
And may knowledge din naman ako because of my mentors.
Yeah. Okay rin yung yung 3-hit combo.
Yeah.
Imagine, salesperson, 3-hit combo.
Yeah.
Effective yun
Correct.
for sure.
And then, at saka, siya, field tested talaga siya. So, kasi ako, nung nag-decide ako na, okay, gusto kong maging corporate trainer din, pinasok ko talaga lahat ng industries na gusto kong pasukan para alam ko kung paano sila magbenta. Like, nag-car salesman ako. Nag-real estate ako. Lahat yan. Nag-network marketing ako. Lahat. Para alam ko kung ano yung system nila, paano sila nakikipag-usap sa tao. Through calls ba? Through ano.
Yeah.
Yun. So, para pag nagbigay din ako ng proposal sa kanila, alam ko yung sinasabi ko, hindi lang basta-basta. So, yun. So, lahat pinasok ko talaga.
Pag face-to-face using the skills, tingin ko effective Pero, can you use your skills kung telemarketer ka lang?
I was about to ask. Telesales.
Medyo mahirap kasi ang dali lang sorry, bye-bye. Ayoko.
Yeah. Correct. Kaya, pero hindi, ang forte ko talaga face-to-face.
Face-to-face.
Pero may mga ways din na pwede. Like, ano yung mga words na sasabihin mo para mag-stick sila sa'yo. Mga ganun. Ang pinaka ginagawa ko lang, since hindi ko naman talaga expertise on telemarketing, papakinggan ko kung paano siya magsalita. Imi-mirror ko lang. So, and I will never speak faster than the person na kinakausap ko. Kasi when you are faster, they will take you as aggressive. So, if you are slower or the same pace ng pag-usap sa kanila, uy, tatanggapin ko to.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Okay.
Daming magandang tips
Oo nga daming mga tips na pwedeng gamitin
Like work, not even just work, socializing,
Yes,
interacting.
Yun nga, I was about to ask yung sa socializing aspect. Let's say, how do you break the ice? You're in a room na kunwari, I go to a party, siguro wala akong kilala. Let's say, na-invite lang ako. How would you go about that?
3-hit combo.
3-hit combo talaga?
Yeah. Oh. And for me kasi, it's easy kasi I'll just do, di ba? Pero meron akong challenge sa sarili ko one time na I will never do mentalism, pero makikipag-socialize ako. 3-hit combo.
Okay.
But does mentalism also involve the conversation aspect?
Yes, yeah. Kasi when I perform on stage, I also converse with the crowd.
Yun nga. Ano yung typical questions that people should use to get someone's rapport? Aside from the 3-hit, parang
Okay.
I used that already. Ngayon, nag-high na ako. Shit, ano sasabihin ko next? What's the next best
Isa
question?
sa mga magandang style or ano na pwede nyong gawin is, tingnan nyo siya, tingnan nyo yung suot niya, purihin mo. Ang pag guy yung kausap ko, titignan ko yung watch mo or yung shoes mo. Ganda ng shoes mo alam mo, minsan, most of the time, yun lang tinanong ko, ang ganda ng shoes mo. Nalalaman ko na yung buong buhay niya.
Nag-open up na bigla.
alam mo tong shoes ko kasi ang hirap hanapin ito eh. Pumunta pa akong ganito, ganyan. And yung wife ko, so alam ko na may wife siya. Alam ko na may, Sa girls naman, yung earrings, yung earrings mo parang bagay sa wife ko yan. O parang bagay sa mom ko yan. Earrings, their dress, their clothes, their shoes, gano'n. Pupurihin ko lang. Sasabihin ko lang na ang ganda naman nung saan mo nabili yan. Ganon. Minsan yun lang tinanong ko.
Napakwento na
Tuloy-tuloy
ng
na.
details.
Well, never ako naka-experience ng thanks.
Supal.
Shit, mali.
Ano pa?
Okay.
Sige, you're welcome.
Let's make it fun. Anong magbibigay mong tip sa mga single boys out there na, alam mo yun, challenge nandun sa scenario in the bar, in the club, tumitingin-tingin, ang daming potential girls to talk to, pero
Aside
ang
from the
hirap
three
hirap pag-initiate. Usually yun yung mahirap, yung first dive into it.
Yes.
Perhaps yung lahat, minsan.
Kasi I remember back then, nung nagka-club, parang, yung isa naming kaibigan, parang, nagbibilang lang siya, si Jude. 1, 2, 3. Kakausapin na niya.
Ganda.
Ganun lang siya. Pero kami parang, hindi ko pa kayang I don't know what to say.
Minsan ang ganda na tumitingnan, but what's the first move? Paano ko i-open to na swabe? Anong mabibigay mong
May
tips?
tawag dun approach anxiety, yung tawag dun. So, lahat tayo meron nun.
Na-feel natin yun.
Lahat
Na-feel
tayo,
ko
lahat
for sure.
tayo. I felt
Approach
that.
anxiety.
Nawala yung approach anxiety ko nung nag-practice ako in the day, hindi sa bar, kausapin ko lang kahit sino. Security guard, kahit sino makasalubong ko. Hi, I'm Justin. Ganun. So, kausapin ko lang sila. Kaya katabi ko lang. Grabe no traffic. Bigla lang magaganon. Simula nun, nung kumbaga na practice ko yung mind ko na maging normal to talk to other people. Pagdating naman sa club, normal na rin. Kasi alam ko, nawala na yung takot ko.
So small talk.
Small talk. Approach people anywhere in the day. And then, kahit sino man yan, kahit hindi ka nagagandahan or nagwagwapuhan sa kanya, lapitan mo lang.
Just the usual conversation, lapit ka lang.
Kasi usually naman, kaya tayo merong AA kasi we wanna approach like a lady na, uy, ang ganda nito Lalo kang matatakot, shit, ang ganda niya. Papansinin ba niya?
Malay, hindi ata kami match, pero I wanna try.
So, if it's normal to you to talk to anybody, magiging normal na lang sa'yo.
Okay. So practice makes perfect, I
kasi
guess.
sobrang dami mo na nakakausap. Malamang may nakausap ka na talaga magandang babae along the way. Normal na lang sa'yo na makipag-usap dun sa babae.
So practice makes perfect.
Approach lang.
Pero maganda yung niya, yung 1, 2,
2, 3. Boom.
Parang ginugulat mo din yung sarili mo eh.
Ganun siya eh. As in, I remember na parati siyang ganun. Sige, magbibilang muna siya. 1 shot, tapos 1, 2, 3.
Before, may nangyari sa akin, yung may approach anxiety pa ako. Around siguro college yan, before ko pa ma-meet yung ex ko. Nag-break na kami nun. So, kasama ko yung friend ko. Tagalabas tayo, ganyan. May nakakakita sa amin na takot kami lumapit. Bigla na lang may lumapit na parang, bro, guys.
Nag-tips bigla.
Hindi natin tatapusin yung gabing to na wala kayong nakausap. Ganon.
Ginanon kayo?
Oo. So parang, sige. Tapos,
Sige, sama ako dyan.
tinuruan kami. Sa ano ba yun basement sa may Eastwood. Tinuruan kami, ganun-ganun. Lumapit kami. So, tapos, bigla na lang siyang nawala. Alam mo yun, yung parang ang mysterious niya, na pag kinakausap ko yung friend ko na yun, naalala mo yung time na, nasa na kaya siya ngayon?
Yung taong yun, kung sino man yun.
Uy, parang gusto ko mag-thank you sa kanya. Kasi isa siya sa mga naging way na yung maging parang hindi ako matakot sa yun, parang ang epic din ng story na yun kasi hindi na
I can imagine. Parang random lang na nandun kayo, tapos parang alam mo.
At the end of the day, nagkaroon na kami ng friends na group of girls, nakuha namin yung number nila, tapos bigla na lang siyang nawala. Parang, siguro iniisip niya, okay, my job here is done.
Doon na lang kasi sa bahay, dami ng babae parang
From afar, nagkulat siya.
walk away slowly.
Galing.
So, saan mo nakuha yung nakita ko may merch ka pa eh?
Actually,
Mental Assassin.
gift sa akin to.
Gift. Okay.
Ikaw ba pumili niyan?
Hindi, as in, kakakuha ka rin to ng Christmas. Binigay lang niya sa
I
akin.
mean yung name.
Yung name,
moniker mo ng Mental Assassin.
Funny story, yung dati kasi, naglalaro ba kayo ng Counter-Strike? Okay. Yung pangalan ko doon is number 1 assassin.
Okay.
So, for a time, yun yung pangalan ko sa Facebook. Nung time na yun, parang nagkakaroon ako ng mga TV guesting, gano'n. Tapos, nakikita nila yung number 1 assassin. Uy, pwede kang maging mental assassin. Yun yung sinasabi ng mga tao.
Okay.
Sige, adopt natin, mental. Doon na nag-umpisa yun.
Counter-Strike pala eh.
Counter-Strike nag-umpisa talaga.
CSGO ka pa ba?
Ngayon hindi na.
Ito kasi nakita ko sa
Meron
laptop
pa eh.
niya. May
May
CSGO.
Yung pandemic yun eh. Pandemic
CS.
download eh. Biglang bumalik sa games. Galing.
Galing. Sorry, kulang ang beer.
Sige, go.
Sige.
Go lang.
Do you think of expanding to... Actually, naisip ko yung mentalism. First time ko narinig. Yun nga, predicting the future. Hypnotizing. That's all real.
Yep, I'm a certified hypnotherapist. What? So, I don't just do hypnosis na yung mga nakita natin sa stage na. Nag-iba na kasi yung view ko sa hypnosis. Ang hypnosis kasi, yung gano'n Ang hypnosis kasi, in-invent talaga siya for curing mental problems.
Okay.
So, hindi siya talaga yung nakikita natin na sleep, forget your name.
You're a chicken.
You're a chicken. Totoo yun.
Talaga?
Nangyayari.
Can you do it now?
Yun lang. I wanna do it. Pero hindi ko na siya ginagawa. Kasi iba na yung view ko eh. Parang ayoko yung namamahiyanan ng tao na...
Gets. May deeper, more meaningful.
Most of the time kasi they are out of their control eh.
Yeah.
Tapos makikita na lang, uy, nagganon-ganon ako sa stage. Parang nahihiya
Totoo
sila.
talaga yun? Tapos
Dude, I wanna do it
when they
right
snap
now.
out of it, tapos makita yung video, ako talaga yan.
Oo. Yeah.
Seryoso?
Totoo yun.
Gusto ko ma-hypnotize.
Pero alam mo yung kagandahan doon, aware ka pa din. Pinapayagan mo lang yung sarili mo na gawin yun. Parang ganun. Because of the words the hypnotist is telling you, because of your current state, it's all about changing your state lang eh. To be from block to open. Na kahit anong sabihin sa'yo, makukuha mo.
Naisip ko tuloy, baka hypnotize na ako kanina pa.
Kasi alam ko, well, I think based from movies lang, yung mga nag-hypnosis to quit cigarettes, to quit bad habits.
Doon talaga siya ginawa. Doon talaga siya ginawa. So, to cure your parang kung ano man yung worries mo, mentally, yung mga vices, kung may gusto kang tanggalin, kung heartbroken ka, doon mo magagamit yung hypnosis talaga. For me, it's clinical. Kaya hypnotherapist ako. Hindi ako performing hypnotist. Ganun.
Anong klaseng hypnotherapy yung ginagawa mo? Like, what's a case study you've done with a person? Paano mo siya natulungan?
Mostly, quit smoking. Heartbroken. Meron naman yung mga childhood traumas.
Instant yan in one session?
Not instant.
Okay.
But the goal is matapos siya in one session.
Wow, talaga.
That's the goal. Pero it depends on the person kasi.
Yeah.
Na kung paano niya iti-take, paano ano. So, pero our goal is to find a solution in just 1 second. Hindi naman siya mabubaga sa mind mo. It's just paano ka matututo doon sa problem na yon and paano ka mag-live with it. Parang ganon.
So, parang na-fast forward lang yung... Diba usually breakup, sabi na 3 months or whatever, yung to get over it. Napapabilis mo lang yun?
Oo. Or kunyari tatanungin mo, okay, sige, nasasaktan ka ngayon, saan mo nararamdaman yung sakit? Sasabihin niya kung saan. Papalitan mo lang yung kung saan, kung ano yung sakit sa good feeling. Lalagyan mo ng good feeling para mapalitan yung sakit. Parang ganun.
Aral rin to like through books or a mentor or a class?
I have may mentor naman kami doon. So, I'm
hypnotist?
Yep, hypnotist talaga siya. So, ang pangalan niya si Igor Ledechovsky.
He's Russian?
Maybe, pero nasa States na siya ngayon. So, nagpapa-certify talaga siya around the world. So, nagpadala siya dito ng trainer, nag-attend kami, gano'n. So, certified na kami.
Wow. Daming skills. Hypnosis.
And unique skills. Na
Super
actually,
unique. Super unique.
like,
actually.
wala namang not to, no offense, I have those doubts kasi I've never seen also face-to-face. So, yung mga hypnotism, yung mga psychics, yung cards and all, and spirits, parang hindi pa ako believer. Parang, may, like a magic, in the deep end of it, may trick to it.
It's normal naman.
But I haven't seen it, so I'm open naman to be proven wrong. Pero yun nga, may doubt talaga ako whenever I look at it na talaga.
Actually, ako din naman as a mentalist, may tricks din siya. But the tricks is, sleight of mouth ko, paano ko sinasabi. My trick is how I'm able to know your word through body language, ganon.
Galing nung sleight of mouth eh.
Oo
Parang
nga eh.
that's very intriguing to me. Kasi parang sleight of hand gets, pero yung sleight of mouth, parang paano ko mahuhuli yun?
Oo nga.
Ang hirap.
So it takes practice talaga. Like talagang social
Interaction.
Gets.
So extroverted ka.
Naging. Pero ano ako eh. Ano ba tawag doon?
Ambi?
Minsan kasi, ambi. Minsan kasi I want silence, gano'n. Pero there are times naman na I'm ready, gusto ko naman basa.
Okay. I wanna be mind blown.
This just in. Sour Taste is your new favorite listen. Expect bold takes, unfiltered conversations, and the kind of flavor only Sour Taste can serve. Stay updated. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell on Spotify and YouTube. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Threads, and TikTok for more updates.
Oo, yun may...
Sige, let's try something.
Sige.
Oh, sige. I am curious.
I'm going to ask one of you, maybe you,
Sige.
to think of a number.
Damn.
Let me just get some.
Napapressure ako.
Ako ka pressure. Ako dapat na pressure. Kasi sa sobrang dami kong sinabi, dapat magawa ko to. Okay. So, I'm just going to ask you to think of a number, but to make it random,
Sige.
I'm going to ask you to roll a die. Okay? So, all you have to do is shake it. I'm gonna look away. Shake it, drop it on the table, remember the top number, and cover it para wala makakita, especially me.
Observe ko.
Okay.
dito.
Okay.
Baka
Observe,
may
observe.
ano eh.
Yan, yan,
Baka
observe.
may
Observe mo,
see-through
observe
sa
mo.
part
Okay.
niya.
Observe mo.
Sige.
Guys.
Actually, you can use your hand,
Guys.
pero mas maganda yan para...
Seal
para
na
free.
seal. Okay,
Sige.
sige.
Okay, sige. Oh.
You make sure na hindi ako...
Sige.
Sige. So I'll just roll a dice.
Yeah.
And then you get...
Yan.
Okay. So audience, guys, ito yung nakuha ko. Okay. Sige.
Done?
Done.
Yep, done.
So, I'm not gonna look at you.
Sige.
Para hindi ako ma-influence ng body language mo. But, I want you to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for me.
Okay, sige.
Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sorry, tatawa ako. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, isa pa?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, I always want to start with this kasi parang
sige.
mas na-practice ko yung skills ko, mas
Okay.
ma-warm up ko siya. So, sabi mo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Nagmamadali ka sa 1. Are you thinking of the number 1?
Yeah.
Damn, galing nun!
Another one.
Another one.
Isa pa?
Isa pa.
Wait lang. Tatawa ako eh.
Galing ha. Audio
Galing
lang
na.
yan
Sige,
ha.
audio lang yan ha.
Okay. Make sure na hindi ako
Ah, sige,
sumisigil.
yes. We'll look
Okay,
out.
guys, pakita ulit sa audience. Ito yan. Okay? Sige. Dahil alam ko na yung may ganon. Sige, let's go. Sabihin ko na?
Okay na, tapos na ba?
Yeah,
Yes.
tapos na.
Huwag mo sasabihin.
Sige.
I'm still, hindi pa rin ako titingin sa'yo.
Okay.
But raise your arm.
My right arm?
Yep. And I'm gonna touch your wrist. Ang tawag naman dito is muscle reading. Now, I'm gonna
No
practice my
way.
sense of touch right now.
Okay.
So, in your head, think of the number in your head, just in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. May resistance sa 3.
May resistance sa 3! May resistance.
Resistance siya. So,
Pag nag-ano,
may... Kasi sabi ko, 1, 2, 3, may pigil sa 3. So, yun ang tinatawag ng muscle reading.
Wow.
One last.
Naturally lang ha.
No
Galing.
way!
So since kanina pa you are rolling, I want it to be your choice. So for example, this is your choice, ganyan mo lang tapos takpan mo para wala makakita.
Okay. Sige.
So kanina hindi ko tinitingnan, so wala talagang nag-influence sa akin. So right now it's your choice, okay?
It's my choice.
Any
Okay.
number that you want.
Any number. Oh guys, ito yung choice ko. Okay. Yan yung choice ko. Okay.
Done?
Game.
Done.
So this time, titignan na kita. So na-practice ko
Okay.
na yung sense of hearing,
Poker
touch,
face.
this time sight. Okay. So I'm gonna look at you. Okay. Now,
Game face.
based on our
Game face, baby!
based on our short interaction, I have to be inside of your head first para malaman ko yung number mo.
Okay, be inside of me.
Yeah. So based on our short interaction, I can sense that you are a type of person na okay, you want to achieve a lot. You achiever ka, but nahihiya ka kapag sinasabi yung achievements mo. Parang hindi ako ganoon. Parang pero you want to be your best, pero gusto mo low key lang. That's why hindi mo pinili yung pinakamataas. Next sa mataas, number 5.
What the fuck?
Grabe yun,
Grabe yan,
That's
Justin! What?
So yun lang, skills. Skills siya. So observation skills yung ginagamit ko.
Ang hirap mo paniwala na it's all skills eh. Parang may trick
Grabe
pa rin
yun,
dyan.
ah.
Pero galing. 3 out of 3.
That's all skill.
Yun yung
Ako
trick.
tingin ko.
Yun yung trick. Yung skill.
The skill is the trick. What?
And yung kagandahan sa ginagawa ko, I can tell you. Di ba magic secrets, right?
Oh, you can tell me straight up eh.
Yeah.
Yung first 2 kasi, parang nagigets ko yung science with it. Itong third, yung explanation mo pa before it, so hindi ka nahiya, so you won't go 6, so 5. Wow. Diba?
So I base first on my reading sa'yo. Ano kaya pwede niyang isipin na number? Based on that. And then, doon na ako
Galing.
Parang ano siya? Deduction.
Actually, I
But
was
hindi
like,
4.
actually, I was like, sabi ko, 6?
I was gonna say 6, pero parang hindi, wag. Nagtatinap
Sobrang
yung choice ni
obvious yung
Jello.
6.
Yun nga, sabi ko, kung 6, parang, it's too nice to be 6. Which is exactly what Justin said.
And then, I don't want you to choose one, kaya yan yung una kong ginanon. Kasi 1 is too easy.
So, okay, 5 choice. Ay, okay.
1 is too easy.
That's
1 is too easy.
interesting.
Tsaka na-roll ko na yung 1.
Na-roll mo na rin yung 1. So, pwedeng sabihin na, ay, na-roll na. Okay.
Baka nga ni-rule out mo na yung mga nako...
Okay, so,
Well, you have 4 more.
yeah. And yung, pwede ka naman talaga umulit if you want, di ba? Tinanggal ko lang yung 1 kasi sobrang dali ng 1. So, kaya ako
Mind blown ako doon. As in, grabe yun.
Yun yung sleight of
Mouth.
yeah.
Wow. It's like that, ano yung movie ni Will Smith?
Yeah, focus.
Focus. Yung football player,
Yeah.
di ba? Yung puro
Speaking
number.
of focus, okay, let me try something. Sa'yo naman.
Sige.
Oh my God. I'm so excited.
Do you have your phone with you?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Do you have Spotify?
Yes, I
Go
do.
to Spotify. Of course, you have to, di ba?
Tingin ko stinap niyo yung mga Facebook natin. Tapos malaman ko sino tayo.
Yeah, go to Spotify and I'm gonna search for a song.
Okay.
Okay, sige. Spotify, search for a song. Okay. Bro, sorry sira yung phone ko.
No, it's okay.
May lines.
Tapos i-silent mo yung volume para hindi natin
okay.
marinig.
Sige, silent ko yung volume.
So, ang idea dito, I'm gonna play a song. Okay. And mamaya malaman mo kung ano mangyayari.
Okay.
Naka-silent na, no? So, when I play something, it will not,
Yeah, it
you will
won't
not
play.
hear it. Okay.
This is insane.
Wild na to.
Okay.
Ang ganda ng last.
Grabe yun.
Yung 5.
Favorite ko din yun, yung part na yun. Actually, maraming may favorite dun sa first, yung sinasabi mo. Okay. So, I search for something.
Okay.
I will lock your phone.
So, end sa side.
Saan yun?
Eto.
Yan. Okay. Lock it for me.
Okay.
Yan. Okay. So, pwede mong silipin kung
Okay.
ano yung sinerch ko para ikaw lang nakakalambot.
Okay.
Don't tell him. Okay?
Sige. Hindi ko sabi.
And don't put up the volume.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
You saw it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Ako naman,
Nervous.
Guys, kung nakikita niyo.
meron akong list of meron
Sige,
akong list of songs dito. I want you to mention any 2-digit number.
Any 2-digit number. Mention it.
Yeah.
6-7.
Not 6-7. Not 6-7.
6-7 kayo. Oh, mention any number. 54.
54, why 54?
Wala. Yun na yung pumasok sa utak ko eh.
Okay. So, sige. Actually, gusto ko talaga piliin mo yung 64. So, I have your best songs of all
54
time.
54.
Yeah. 54 ba?
54.
Best songs of all time. Can you go to 54?
54, yan.
Ano yung 54?
The Beatles, Hey Jude.
If you say another number like 67, gusto ko talaga
67.
67. Ang mga lalabas is yan, Arctic
Arctic
Monkeys, 39 Oasis, but 54 is Hey Jude.
Yes, Hey Jude.
Pwede mo bang taasan yung volume para marinig natin kung
No
ano?
way. What? Nakita mo yung kanina? Are you sure? Are you in
I'm
the music?
100% sure, dude.
As in,
Focus, yun yung focus.
As in kanina, Hey Jude. As in, hey Jude!
Paano yun?
And you saw it. You saw
And I
it.
saw it! I saw it. Nakalagay, hey Jude.
How can you do that through mentalism?
Power of suggestion. I didn't suggest the song, but I suggested the number. Parang focus.
Oh, parang focus.
Because she
Sinadjust
said-
mo.
Gets! Okay, nagigets yung ginawa niya.
So kung akala mo
6'7", so 5'4", naging 5'4" kasi 5'4", 6'7". Ay! Hindi ko nga napansin na nakita ko yun
it's subtle.
I didn't see it.
Pinili ko yung 5'4" kasi naka 5'4" ka? I didn't even notice that.
I thought naman, you chose 54 kasi 6 and 7.
Kala ko nga yun
Pero
when he
may-
explained it. Pero
May ganun din. What?
Justin, solid. Oh my God.
With great power.
Exactly.
Kung yung skill na to mahawak ng tao na may bad intentions, how can they use it for bad?
Di ba? Ang dami,
no?
Budol pa lang. So, isa yun sa mga naging case studies ko before, yung mga nambubudol. As in, naghanap ako na nambubudol para lang malaman ko yung skill set niya.
Really?
Yeah. Isa yun sa mga inahanap ko at nakakita talaga.
Paano ka naghanap ng nagbubudol?
Pumunta ako dati.
Yung pyramid schemes. Joke lang.
Pumunta ako dati kasi, nabalitaan ko, marami daw nambubudol sa Ali Mall.
Okay.
Pumunta ako doon. For ilang days, balik-balik ako. Kasi may nakita ko one in action. Ginagawa talaga niya. So, nung nakita ko, uy, nambubudol pa. Napita ko na siya. Bro, alam ko yung ginagawa, pero don't worry daw, police. Pero tawa mo naman ako. Ganun. At until I used my skill as a hypnotherapist, NLP practitioner, para ibahin naman yung mindset niya. Kasi nga good intentions yung ano ko. Pero, alaman ko na ang pinaka-core din nila is hypnosis. Kung ano yung ginagawa ng hypnotist, ganun din yung... Na hindi nila alam na nang-hypnotize na pala sila. Kasi sa hypnotist may tinatawag na ABS. A is absorb attention. So you have to absorb the person's attention first. So kung ang ginagawa ng mga budol is parang, uy, hi, yung parang gugulatin ka, kamusta? O yung mga hypnotist, di ba, biglaan na lang i-jolt yung hand mo, biglang, uy, sleep, ganyan. Yun, kasi na-absorb mo ang attention niya. B is bypass critical factor. Kailangan may sabihin ka na para ma-bypass mo yung critical factor niya. Ang ginagawa ng mga budol-budol, uy, kilala ko yung mami mo. Di ba? Parang mababypass yung critical factor. Kasi, mami ko, gano'n. Kamusta na siya? Kamusta na yung mami mo? Gano'n. Mga gano'n, di ba? So, mababypass yung critical factor na baka lokohin ako nito kasi kakilala niya yung mami ko. Gano'n.
Okay.
S is suggest. Suggest ka na parang, actually, kailangan ko ng pera eh. Meron ka bang extra ano dyan? Ito yung phone ko, kapalit. Mga ganon. Yun yung hypnosis naman. Yung hypnosis naman, absorb attention, parang you look the person in the eye, you tap them, you jolt the hand. B is bypass critical factor. You say something to the person like, so you want to stop smoking? Yes, but what would happen if you stop smoking? Yung mga ganon. S naman is suggestion. Isa-suggest mo na kung ano gusto mo mangyari. Ganon.
Wow. Galing nun So pati pala yung mga mambubudol, yung mga scammers.
They don't know it's hypnosis. But based on how yung system nila, nakita ko, parang hypnosis din to.
Yun yung steps nila.
So malamang may nagturo sa kanila.
So in a way, parang yung tinuro niya sa'yo is yun yung steps, pero hindi lang yun specifically na ABS. Pero ito yun, sir. Ito yung ginagawa ko, ganyan, ganyan.
Yeah.
So so yun yung kailangan iwasan ng mga tao.
So ang sinasabi nga namin, best way to, yung pinaka-condom mo, para hindi ka is awareness. Talagang look at your surroundings. Para maging hyper-aware ka, ang pwede mo lang gawin is, look at your surroundings, focus on an object, and tell yourself kung ano yun. Like for example, a refrigerator. Uy, a mic. Ganun lang. Para maging mas hyper-aware ka.
So parang habang kinakausap ako ng magbubudol, okay na sa mall. Uy, potato corner yan. Parang ganun.
Kasi di ba pag nasa mall tayo, actually parang nahihypnotize tayo ng mall eh. Pumapasok tayo ng mall na ready na tayo bumili palagi, di ba? So may mga pinopost sila sa mga walls nila na para maging ready ka bumili. Yung mga sale, yung mga get this, gano'n. So
color.
Pumapasok ka sa mall na hypnotized ka na. So the best way na para hindi ka bumili agad, maging hyper-aware ka. Uy, ito, ano to? Yan, may tao doon na naka-red siya. Gano'n.
Okay. Galing. I didn't know that.
Yung mga shows mo is how long usually?
So usually ang standard ko 30 to 40 minutes.
40, yeah.
So meron akong 20 minutes, quick show, 30 to 40. Yun yung main ko talaga. And may 1 hour din. Depending
Nag 1 hour ka na.
Yeah, depending on the
1 hour
program.
worth of...
Yeah. Depending on what they want naman.
Do you call it tricks? Hindi. Basically,
Actually, demonstrations, tricks, I don't mind. Kasi dati parang dito tricks. Pero ngayon parang, okay, if you want to call it tricks, okay.
Okay,
Parang,
nawala na yung pagka-sensitive, I guess.
Depende naman sa ano natin yun. Kumbaga, I cannot please everybody. So, if you wanna, kumbaga, baka for them, it's not tricks, pero wala silang mahanap na word for it. Diba? So, okay, it's magic, it's tricks, ganun.
So based on the almost 1 hour you've been talking to us, ano yung masasabi mo about us?
1 hour na yun?
1 hour na yun.
Dalawa pa lang
minutes.
Sige, pwede ba natin gawin? Pero go lang.
Yun, so, okay. Yun nga. Actually,
I'm curious.
Nasabi ko na sa'yo kanina. Yeah. And also, you're sensitive, but not in a way na madali kang masaktan. You're sensitive about other people. You're particular of what you are saying because ayaw mong nakakasakit ng ibang tao. Kasi once na na-realize mo na nasaktan ko tong taon to, nahihirapan ka mag-move on, gusto mong makabawi sa kanya, hindi ka makatulog, ganun. Ikaw naman, opposite. If you wanna say something, you say it.
Okay, tama. Spot on. Okay,
yeah?
okay.
Yeah, so, hindi naman sa not sensitive, but you don't care if kung ano mafe-feel niya. What important is nalaman niya yung totoo. Yeah. Parang not tactless, but you really wanna tell the person what's up. Ganun.
So, ang interesting nun na nag-uusap tayo the whole time, you were talking a lot since you were the guest, but at the same time, nagna-notes yung utak mo na...
Ano na siya? Parang muscle,
Sa memory na siya.
Automatic na.
Galing.
Kasi ako, for me naman, I want to connect with you. So, kaya nagtitake notes din ako na ano kaya masasabi ko, pwede ko sabihin para ano. Ganun.
Sobrang curious ako, paano mo nakuha yan sa pag-uusap lang sa amin? As in like, how were you able to dissect us?
Like mine specifically, pwede ba bang kwento yun? Like, how did you know, this guy says it right away despite being sensitive or what?
Maybe observation, your line of questioning, your choice of words. Ganun.
Talaga? Mag-recommend ka ng book or something na we can watch para
Actually,
in the 1 hour, nakuha yung not very shallow trait. Diba? Even yung sa'yo na sensitive.
Yung binasa ko, Definitive Book of Body Language, just the pinaka-basic. Books about NLP or Neuro-Linguistic Programming.
Neuro-Linguistic Programming.
Yeah, isa yun sa pinaka-recommend ko na...
Neuro-Linguistic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun ang core ng skills ko talaga. Kasi inside Neuro-Linguistic Programming, nandun yung mga body language reading.
Nagbasa ako ng book before. I don't read that much, pero minsan pag nag-browse sa bookstore, I get a few... You look... Bumili ako one time ng body language kasi nga it's a nice skill to hone. Nakikita ko lang yung parang crossed arms, eye contact, and then wala naman akong, I just read it casually, hindi ko naman inaral talaga. So ito parang na deeper level na skills na nakukuha. Ang galing, ang ganda. And then yun nga, I got the book kasi ma-apply mo talaga because you interact with people all the time. Work, social, others. So it's a nice skill to hone. Minsan nga, may mga traits na, ginagawa ko pala to, pero you wanna perform and seem good to other people. So yun, if you're listening, or if you're talking to someone, dapat interested ka, lock eyes, stuff like that, to make a good impression also. Kaya kayo sa kinuha.
So, can you still remember the title of the book?
Hindi ko na maalala. It's at home. Hanapin ko na, text ko sila.
Sige.
Paano mo nakuha yung sensitive ako? Sorry, curious lang ako.
Oo nga
The fact na tinanong mo yan, na-prove natin na sensitive ka talaga.
Galing. With 1 hour, Kala ko kasi parang, ito, outgoing, extrovert, yun yung mga parang
Normal Ano yun Actually, mas broad pa nga yun Pwede, may tinatawag na Barnum statements. So, Barnum statements are, magsasabi ka ng statement na sobrang broad na yung utak mong maghahanap na kung totoo ba to o hindi. Like for example, may nakasalubong tao, sabi mo, alam mo may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon. Lahat naman may pinagdadaanan. Yun yung Barnum statement.
Yeah.
Sometimes I start with that. Kapag nahihirapan akong basahin ng tao, I start with the Barnum statement na sobrang
Well,
broad.
yun yung naisip ko with all the readings and then, what do you call this? Zodiac.
Yeah.
Parang, usually naman, parang ganun nga, lahat naman may pinapagdaanan. Lahat
May-
naman, extrovert, lahat naman may.
May ginawa akong experiment before to test kung totoo nga yan. Kasi yun din yung tingin ko. Nagkuha ko ng Zodiac. Di ba dati sa dyaryo?
Every day. Mayroon, every
Tinanong ko
day.
yung kausap ko, ano yung Zodiac sign mo? Ang binasa ko, iba. Umuo siya, that's me! Okay.
Yun nga that's my thought about it. Lahat naman to pwedeng
Wording lang eh. Nandun lang sa words na...
Pero, ayoko naman na i-ano sila.
debunk.
Diba? Or baka naman totoo, diba? Pero, yun, kasi friends din natin sila. Pero, yun.
True.
Okay.
But I use that. Diba?
Another fun question na ma-apply ng mga tao. If, girls naman. If they're out and then, alam mo yun, gusto nilang i-filter yung mga bad guys around there na may balak, manyakis, or what. How can they tell na, ay puta, ito sinungaling
Di
to.
interested.
Ito is charming and all, pero deep inside,
Bad
she just
boy.
wants a one night or
One
whatever.
night,
Diba?
yeah.
Bad intentions.
Correct.
Kumbaga.
So,
Anong matitips natin sa mga girls?
Meron tinatawag na congruence. So, ang congruence is, kung ano yung sinasabi niya, dapat congruent sa body language.
Okay.
So, an open body language is naka-open lang or nagla-nod siya, right? Hindi nakaganon nga, katulad sa akin. So, the explanation kung ba't tayo gumaganito kapag may iniisip ka something negative is, every time we feel threatened,
Nakaganon ako.
hindi, wala ka.
Napaka-negative ni Jay.
Hindi, ito pong parelax lang.
Kasi every time we feel threatened, we tend to protect our delicate body parts. So like our heart and lungs. So kapag may na-feel na threat yung isang tao or kung nagsisinungaling yung isang tao or kung may iniisip siya something negative, our tendency is to protect our heart and lungs. May tinatawag din namang context. Kaya ka nakaganyan, hindi naman ibig sabihin na negative ka towards what's happening now, di ba? Baka naman nalamig ka or, di ba, relaxing mo lang.
Yung weight, support.
Yan. So it doesn't mean na ganun. Pero sa bar, or sa may tinatawag din na congruence. So kung may lumapit sa'yo, that's hindi congruent. An example lang hindi congruent yung body language. Hey, how are you? Ang ganda mo ganun. So may kita mo na, ay, baka may mali. Diba? Like sa relationship, ikaw lang talaga. Wala.
There's no...
Walang iba, promise.
Walang iba. Ikaw.
Yo,
That's a lie.
That's a lie.
That's a fucking lie. Kasi you're shaking your head. You're not nodding na ikaw.
Ikaw talaga, promise. Diba? Ganun.
Okay.
So head movement is one.
Another is yung tingin na mata. 'Di ba yung tingin na mata, alam mo na dapat eye contact. Automatic eye contact. Nagsabi ka totoo pag eye contact. Pero naka-encounter naman kayo ng person na parang nanginginig yung mata niya.
Hindi pa.
Parang hindi pa.
Nangyayari yun, nanginginig. So, ano yun? Subconsciously, kung gusto mong lokohin yung isang tao, subconsciously, inaalis niya, di ba? Inaalis dapat, parang, I don't wanna look at this person. Pero consciously, binabalik. Parang, pag inalis mo, malalaman niya, nalulukoy lang natin siya. So, manginginig. Naglalaban yung conscious and subconscious mind. So, pag nakita mo yung mata ng tao, nanginginig, yun, mag-isip ka na.
So, makita na nanginginig na mata.
Yeah.
Siguro matakot ako like, uy.
Pero baka nervousness din kasi
Okay, may mga disclaimer or like other... Okay.
Do you also have like tips for people who are about to have a serious conversation? They're nervous. They wanna paano ba to? Ayaw nila maging nervous sila. May tip ba na ganon na?
Yes. So, we pwede rin natin na ma-conquer yan or maiba yung mindset natin through our body language. So, isa sa mga ginagawa ko is yung tinatawag na steeple. Ginagawa ko lang to outside, pag nakatago ako, not in front of people. Kasi
Okay.
pag ginawa mo to in front of people, magiging parang evil genius ka.
Excellent.
Pero kapag before I go out on stage, if I feel nervous, I do this. Kasi
Kahit nakatayo lang?
Yeah, nakatayo lang. Kasi ang steeple kasi parang, ito yung top of church to di ba yung ganyan. So, sinasabi mo sa body language mo na you are the best, you are, you are on top of your game. Kasi pag ginawa mo to, may iba yung daloy ng dugo mo, may excite ka. Another is take take space as much as possible.
Stretch your
arm, take space. Third is, ilagay mo yung dalawang kamay mo sa likod. Kasi pag pinakita mo yung front of your body, you parang magiging mas confident ka. Kasi you are exposed.
Oh, yun yung alam ko na yun ko. Parang straight back, chest out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So kung may meeting ako na, shit, nako, hassle to. Kita mo sa corner.
Pag may yoga,
pag may meeting ka, mauna ka sa table, tapos nakaganon ka lang. I've been expecting.
I've been expecting you, sir.
So kung magamit rin nga to ng evil person, kaya niyang matuto magsinungaling na magaling.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oo.
Hindi mo mapapansin.
Budol.
Hindi mo mapapansin.
Kaya mo mag-fake it till you make it. Ganun. Yan naman actually talaga yung mga budoleo. Di ba? They act as if they are the best. Na magaling, kaya ko yan, alam ko yan, pero hindi pala. Ganun. Fake confidence nga.
Fake confidence nga siya. Okay. Galing.
In the Philippines, how many mentalists are...
There are quite a lot.
Talaga?
Pero konti lang yung active talaga.
Okay.
So, yung mga nakikita nyo sa social media, meron din yan eh. So, pero yung iba parang mga hobbies din, ganun. Or they just want to learn. Pero konti lang siguro, wala pa sa 5 or 10 yung talagang active na nagpo-perform. Or out there talaga.
Pero kasama ko dun sa stories circle, tama?
Yeah.
So that group is technically magicians ba dapat or performers of
Feeling ko performers.
Yeah, made talaga siya for magicians eh.
May magicians talaga.
So magicians talaga siya. So we have a couple of magicians, mentalists.
Okay.
Well, kasi nga, mentalism is a branch of
I mean,
magic.
Because one of our founders is a mentalist also. So kaya open siya for mentalism talaga.
Gusto ko makatry ng hypnosis or like
Yun nga eh, gusto ko rin ma-hypnotize
psychic type na ano eh. It's very interesting kasi to experience these types of... Well, kaya siya nagbebenta as entertainment and all because you don't see them often and then it's hard to believe and that question na paano niya ginawa yun.
Correct.
Wild. Pero yun nga, knowing the trick of a magic trick, how it's done, parang wala na yung ginawa mo.
Suggesting the number to you, part hypnosis na ganyan eh. Kasi suggested.
Actually, ang galing nga na hindi ko napansin na it influenced me to say that eh. Galing. Pero minsan, dati, nagagawa mo yun, tapos nagkakamali.
Yes.
Oo.
Hanggang ngayon naman.
Meron pa rin.
But I just learned na parang paano siya takpan. May mga tao pa rin talaga na mahirap basahin. But it has to be like parang hindi halata. Kasi I perform for people na marami talaga na hindi ako pwedeng kamali. Unless part siya ng show. Ganun. Or may way naman na sobrang natatagalan ako bago ko mahulaan yung isip niya. Ganun.
Bumabalik lang ako doon. Dapat nag-53 ako.
Gusto ko pa nga eh. I think si Justin has more.
You want more?
Yes. We want more.
Of course,
So let's take it up a notch.
Hey you. No, not her. You. And this is a reminder to stay hydrated and drink some water. I love water. Do you love water? And don't forget to like and subscribe on Spotify and YouTube. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Threads, and TikTok. Now, let's get back to the episode. Sour Taste Podcast.
Sige, let me try something.
What am I thinking right now?
I'm thinking of a word. Damn. Galing. Something I want to
This one
learn.
is for later.
Okay. Everyone should
Don't tell me,
experience this.
sinulat mo na yan kanina pa.
Yes.
Let's wait.
Okay.
Excite ako. Sorry.
Okay, isa to sa mga favorite kong gawin. Kasi parang naging ano ko na siya. Naging trademark.
Okay.
Kasi as you've seen earlier, my most important asset are my eyes. Right? Because without my eyes, I cannot observe you. Right?
True.
So, I'm gonna cover up my eyes. Not just with this blindfold, but with this duct tape. So you're gonna help me put tapes all over my face
Intense to.
until I cannot see. And then I have here a couple of poker chips. Check if those are real chips.
These are... Yep.
So the reason why we have chips is I'm gonna put one each over my eye. para kapag nakalagay na yung tapes, you're sure that whenever I try to open them up, there's something on the way, right? And masasaktan ako. Okay?
Okay,
So,
okay.
actually, I'm gonna take this off na.
Okay.
Tanggalin ko na ganito.
Sige.
Kasi baka sabihin nila may bumubulong. Actually, yun yung madalas na sinasabi sa social media. May earpiece ako. So, check first.
Check.
Actually, wala.
Kahit naman meron, walang sense kasi wala naman
Walang tao
kasama.
eh.
Yeah.
Oo nga, true.
Siguro, nga. Kung backstage siguro
Ako pala yung...
So, wait.
Sige, what do you need?
Put it here.
Okay.
Maybe let's get 5 para madami-dami ng konti. 2. Yan, huwag lang mag-stick talaga. 3.
Intense ito.
Oo nga eh.
4.
So, for everyone listening,
Yeah.
duct tape.
Here.
Duct tape.
We have 5
Poker
strips of
chips.
duct tape. Ayun, no? 5 strips of
somewhere.
duct tape. And
Okay.
2 poker chips na black.
First chip, please.
First chip.
Goes here.
Oh, way.
Second chip goes here. After this, I cannot see anymore, so I'm gonna give
Okay,
you
this
further
is crazy.
instructions. Okay, second chip goes
Pag
here.
nalagay mo lahat,
Second
picturean ka namin.
Nakaganito.
Yan.
Yeah. So, can you please hand me another tape?
Okay, sige. Handling
Lagay mo
isang
na lang sa
tape.
kamay ko.
Yeah.
Yan, okay. Of course, over my eye.
Okay.
Another one, please. Thank you. Ano pa natin? Tapalan pa. Yan. Last piece.
What?
This is the last piece, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the last piece.
Oops,
Parang
na.
ano siya.
Yan.
Yan.
Last piece. Okay, please make sure everything is intact. Nakadikit lahat. You can touch it. You can still check if the coins or the chips are still there.
Yep, the chips are there.
Okay. Can you see the blindfold over the table?
Yes, this
Yeah?
one.
Take it please. You
Okay.
can go this way if you
Patong
want.
pa?
Oh, yeah.
ikaw na, Jake.
Blindfold mo pa ako para sure ka talaga na hindi
Sure.
ako nakakita. Okay?
Yung under the...
Just, paano na lang kung...
Yeah. Yan.
Yan.
Okay lang? Yeah. Basta wag yung nose ko. So you can tie it up as tightly as you want.
Good naman, Giles.
Good sir.
Sige, ipita mo natin. Para...
Sige.
So, I cannot see underneath.
I
Make
think
sure.
so. I think
Parang
so.
wala naman.
Pwede nyo check. Tignan nyo, wala talaga.
Actually, wala kasi it's a poker chip.
Okay.
It's a poker chip that I
Yes,
see.
yes.
Okay, now, I'm going to ask you to get random objects. 3 random objects. If you have it, mas maganda kung hindi ko nakita here, di ba?
Talaga? Pwede?
Pwede kayo kumuha kahit saan. But make sure na it's random, it's different. Wag yung mga utensils because we are in a condominium. Baka kumuha ka ng mga plates or utensils. Make it unique.
Okay, sige.
And if you have, just put it over the table para makita nila kung ano yan. But don't tell me kung ano yan. Okay, go ahead. 3 items. You can get 1 for you, 1 for you, and
Sige,
1
sige,
for
hold on. I'll get it.
and just put it over the table. And say yes kapag nandito na kayo. Any items will do.
How many?
Just 3. Just 3.
Three. Okay.
Okay, sige.
You can get 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 both siguro na decision.
Sige, we have 3.
We have 3.
You have the 3 already?
Yes.
Okay, is it over the table? Yep.
Okay, sige. We're gonna put it here. Yes, we have 3 stuff. Nandito
Yes.
lang siya.
Yan, para makita rin nila kung ano yan.
Sige, papakita ko. I think I'll use this.
Move ka lang, check.
So these are the 3 stuff that we picked. Yan. Sorry.
And if you are ready, just say yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, both of you, let's try something. Can you see, like, may linabas ako dito parang index cards.
Yes.
Okay.
Think of a word, you, and think of anything that you can draw. Ikaw naman.
Okay.
And if you have it, patong nyo lang dito. Pwede nyo isandal dun sa mechanism para nakikita ng audience kung ano yan. No?
So basically, Jake will think of a word.
Yes,
Any
Jake will
word.
think- any word, English
Any
or
word.
Tagalog. And you will think of anything that you can draw.
Anything that I
Yeah.
can draw.
Make it simple like a house or a stickman, but of course, draw something else. Yeah.
Shoot.
And just put it
suck at
on the
drawing.
table, facing the
So,
audience.
sulat ko lang, then put the index card
Yeah.
down. Okay.
Yeah. Anywhere here.
Sige.
So ito yung isang word na nilagay ni Jake. Ito yun. Okay?
No, drawing
Now,
naman.
yung drawing ko.
Yung drawing mo tapos na rin.
Hindi
pa.
pa. Hindi ako magaling mag-drawing.
Okay lang. Make it simple.
Simple. Okay, sige. I have a simple drawing.
And if you are done, put it, yung silver thing, may silver thing ako nakikita ko sa nakasaksak. Siguro isandal nyo doon para nakikita nila kung ano yun.
Ito, I guess. Yung recorder.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what you call it.
Okay.
Sure.
Mixer.
Yung both, yung drawing mo, tsaka yung word niya.
Okay.
Okay. So, this is the best we can do. Okay, sige. Nandito na siya. Okay.
Sige.
Sure.
Tapos na?
Yes.
Tapos na.
Okay. Now, let's start with the items. Do we have 3 items?
Yes, we do.
From the 3, take 1 and say yes kapag hawak mo na.
Go.
Okay, sige. Take 1?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Done? Okay.
Done.
Can you see the item?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Based on how you said yes, this might be an everyday item. Can you see the shape?
Yes.
Yes. I'll go with rectangular. Can you see the color?
Yes.
Yes. You first thought of yellow, then green. Rectangular, yellow, green. No, akala ko this has something to do with technology. But no, this is a common item. Am I right in saying that you're holding some sort of a sponge?
Yes!
What?
Sponge!
Ang daming
Tama?
gamit dito
Tama, sponge?
Yes,
Tama,
sir. Tama.
Next item. And say yes kapag hawak mo na. Next item.
Sige, ikaw naman.
Yeah,
Yes.
ikaw naman. Yes?
Yes.
Are you holding the item?
Yes, sir.
O yung pagsabi mo ng yes, parang you are familiar with this. Yes.
Yes.
You wanna hold this palagi. Can you see the color?
Yes.
Yes. I'm not sure. Parang may inisip kang brown then purple. Can you see the shape?
Yes.
Pahaba.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, is that a beer?
Yeah!
Encanto beer ba yan? Yes!
Yes, correct.
Tama. Last item.
Correct,
Say yes,
correct.
wag-
Go,
Last item
Jello.
and say yes, hawak mo na.
Sige, hawak ko na.
Hawak mo na. Okay. Yung pagsabi mo ng sige, hawak ko na, parang this is ito yung pinakamahirap sa lahat. Ito yung nafe-feel mo na hindi ko mahulaan. Kaya ito siguro yung hinuli mo, right? Interesting. Can you see the color?
Yes.
Yes, you thought of green then white.
Oh my God.
Can you see the shape?
Yes.
Circlish. Interesting, circlish. Can you see the color, shape? Isipin mo kung ano yan. Can you please say yes?
Isipin ko?
Oh, sabi mo yes.
Yes.
Yes. Is that yours? Sa'yo ba yan?
Akin.
Sa'yo. Interesting. Nung pagsabi mo na akin, sana tama ako. This is just calculated guessing. Pwede ako magkamali. I'm sorry. Kung mali ako, i-cut nyo na lang.
Sige.
Okay lang.
I'm literally guessing, but calculated. Sana tama ako. Kasi parang both of you want this. Am I right in saying that is some sort of a nicotine patch? Yes! Yes!
What?
Akala ko nagdi-disclaimer ka na kasi di mo makukuha.
Tama!
Yes, tama. 3
Okay.
out of 3. Oh my God.
One last thing. Andiyan pa ba yung...
Nandito pa sila.
yung word mo, tsaka yung dino mo?
Yes.
Nandito pa sila.
Okay, nakita ng audience?
Kita,
Okay,
kita.
keep it now.
Okay.
Kasi in a moment, I'm going to take my blindfold off, so dapat di ko na nakikita yung word yung ending.
Okay.
Keep it inside your pockets, you can fold it.
Sige.
Done.
Mo yung isa.
Okay. So, and kung di nyo yan on top of other papers, you can hide the
Hindi,
papers.
wala.
Okay, good. No,
Baka
we're safe.
kasi makita ko yung ano, di ba?
Hindi.
Okay. So ito, sobrang hirap ito gawin kasi I've been doing this for about 18, 19 years now. But this is the hardest part talaga, yung pagtanggal ng duct tape.
Aray.
Actually.
Alam mo na kung bakit ako kalbo?
Oo ka.
Wala naman silip, di ba?
Wala.
Kasi sinasabi nila, Jussie, baka may listening devices ka. Wala. So, kaya may duct tapes para sure talaga kayo na hindi ko nakikita yung mga bagay. Okay, you do something and you thinking of a word.
Hindi, I drew
You do
something.
something and you're
Pero
thinking.
hawak ko yung drawing.
Okay. Sige,
Switch?
go.
No?
I'm going to try to figure them out.
Okay.
Kasi, so I'm gonna use my skills na in reading body language in figuring out what you thought of a word and the doing. Okay. Think of your word. Okay. Think of your word over and over again. Think of the first letter for me. Think of the first letter. Say it in your head once. Nag-move yung lips mo. Parang, parang yung wanna say the letter G. Yeah?
Yes, correct.
Okay, think of the word kung gaano kahaba. Nagigilan na yun. Isipin mo kung gaano kahaba siya. Parang medyo mahaba. Okay. I'm not sure kung 2 words to or 2 syllables. Kasi parang gumanong ka. So parang ganon. Think of the last letter for me.
Yes.
E.
Yeah!
Say it again, please.
Say it?
Ay,
in my head.
Nung gumanong ka, sabi mo, in my head. Parang gusto mo sabihin goodbye.
No! No way!
Tama, goodbye.
Tama. You're holding it.
Wag mo pakita yung drawing mo.
Ayun.
Wag mo yung drawing.
Wait, hawak niyo yung word.
Hawak
there.
ko yung
Okay,
word.
okay. Kung bakit hawak din.
Oh, kami ako
No way!
Okay. Next, you do something. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. Think of your drawing.
Okay.
So, nakilala na kita ng konti, sensitive ka. I have to be inside of your head again para malaman ko yung dino mo. Wala namang kinalaman sa word na yung dino mo, pero may kinalaman to sa state ng tao. Okay, can you close your eyes for me?
Oh my God,
Sana
guys.
tama ako.
I do not believe this. What the jello?
Okay, open your eyes. Open your eyes, Jello. Saan yung dino mo?
Ito.
Okay, when I count to 3, sabay natin ipapakita ko ano
Okay, sige.
yung dino ko sa yung dino mo.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! What? Paano yun? Paano yan?
Oh my God, Justin.
Thank you. Thank you.
Grabe.
Did not miss.
Did
At
not
all.
miss.
Almost.
Gusto ko lang i-verify.
Go ahead.
Pero, yeah. Wild.
Ito pa yung blindfold. Baka sabihin nila may ano.
Triple layer, tape, poker chip, blindfold.
Wala.
Wow.
Actually, kaya ako winarm up yung dice kanina kasi yun yung kailangan kong skills to do this. Kaya ako parang pinactice ulit. Tawag dito, winarm up ko yung senses ko for this.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I am amazed.
Blown. Mind blown.
Speechless ako doon.
Grabe.
Isa sa mga
Grabe,
favorite ko
grabe.
itong gawin. Parang naging ano ko na
It's so
siya.
good.
Naging trademark. Kaya when you look at my social
Talaga
media,
yan, trademark.
I'm always blindfolded.
Galing.
One time sa...
Bumulis yung heartbeat ko eh. Before the drawing reveal eh. Na-feel ko eh. Parang...
you know what, one
Na-excite
time sa
eh.
GMA, di ba nagkaroon ako ng TV special?
nagkaroon nga
Yung finale ko doon, I drove blindfolded.
What?
Yeah. Pero sa loob ng village, kasi syempre you have to...
Tsaka mga driver dito.
Oo, alam mo naman.
EDSA!
Pero isa sa mga TV guesting ko noon na to ha, pinadrive talaga ako sa city. As in, kailangan Justin from here makapunta ka dito.
Talaga?
Ganon. Feeling ko hindi ko na magagawa ngayon yun. Kasi alam mo naman, baka makancel ako, di ba? Kasi
Oo nga.
irresponsible driving.
True. Lagot ka sa LTO.
Oh, and I drive. Ayokong ibigay yung lisensya ko mawala.
true.
So yun.
Wow.
Basta ba ginawa?
Siya nag-suggest nun. Nasabay.
Kaya nung nakuha ko, di ba
Na-3-hit combo
Amazing,
tayo, pare.
amazing.
Hindi ko alam paano mo nahulaan yung nicotine pouch.
Tama, pwede ko ba makita? Saan?
Ito.
Okay.
Kasi kanina, sabi ko kay Jake, syempre bawal magsalita. Sabi ko sa kanya, kunin mo yung Tapos kinuha niya yung pang candy. Sabi ko, di yan. Yung isa.
There's something dyan.
Tapos
So
yung...
ito, if you wanna quit smoking ba? Or...
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So pang nicotine pouch lang siya. Tapos
Wild.
yung sponge, sabi ko, I highly doubt.
Oo nga eh. Random rin nung sponge eh. Ito siguro, sige but like, yeah.
Noong una, gusto ni Jake to. Sabi ko, wag,
pwede,
nakita niya to. Kasi ang dami, nilalaro ko siya kanina eh. I was thinking ahead. I was like, baka yung mga hinahawakan ko. Hindi, wag yun.
Kaya gusto ko talaga umalis kayo, kumuha kayo ng random talaga. Sa shows din sinasabi ko yun eh. Kasi usually, with my experience
Persuade
before,
tayo to get
ang
the
nilalagay
sponge.
nila mga spoon and fork. Corny.
Usual,
Corny.
ah.
So kaya lagi ko sinasabi, make it unique, make it something na from a person.
Yeah.
Yan yung pinaka-wild, yung word.
I was thinking,
Hindi ko maya.
grabe. Grabe yung word. Tapos may two syllables. Yup.
Akala ko 2 words talaga.
Ginawa mo yung G.
So, kung napapansin niyo yung process, may process siya, di ba? Hindi siya yung automatic na alam ko na. So, with my line of questioning, with my observation, sinabi ko muna think of the first letter. Doon ko muna inumpisahan hanggang sa naghahanap na ako ng mga gestures. Nung nakita ko ng gumano, ay parang goodbye ito ah. Oh, nagbabay siya eh.
Parang I think umangat yung kamay mo ng konti.
Pwede namang hello eh.
Pero H eh. Pero G eh.
Pero Gina, yeah. Mind reader.
Ito parang...
Well, kasi na-draw niya pa. Hindi lang guess.
Oh,
right? Yeah. Amazing.
Actually...
Amazing. Justin Pinion.
Thank you.
Na-speechless ako dun What the hell?
Signature.
Wow. Hire Justin, guys.
Events,
For,
weddings.
yeah.
Kahit inuman lang sa bahay.
Inuman, yeah.
As in,
Yeah, I enjoy inuman. And I
yung ganito lang, wow.
Kasi mas raw, kung may gusto ko sabihin, masasabi mo like sa
I'm
show.
sure namura ka na or na...
Or kung gusto mong kumontra, you can di ba? Kasi doon ko napapractice yung social skills ko talaga
Wild.
sorry, nasa ano pa ako. Nandito
Processing
medyo pumik dun
Parang tinatry mo, paano yun?
Pero feeling ko nga may pipik pa mamaya
Ayan, may isa pang naka...
Is this the last?
There's
Yep.
a paper. Yes.
Tell me kung gusto niyang makita yung laman yan.
Yes, I want to see.
You want to see it right now?
Okay, sure. Pero I'm interested. Can I ask?
Sure.
So the name of your podcast is Sour Taste. Bakit Sour Taste? Is it because my beer involved?
No, recycled siya I'm a DJ. Nung pandemic, I DJ'd with my cousin, live streaming, Twitch, YouTube. Then we had to just put a name to it, Sour Taste. Kasi yun yung mukha pag maganda yung song, tapos yung mukha mo parang wala
nice.
ng sour thing. So sour taste face, parang yung stank face. Tapos wala, nagawa ko lang lahat ng mga Instagram, YouTube. So parang...
Sayang naman.
Yun na yun.
Recycle na lang natin for the podcast. Maganda naman siyang sabihin. And then we wanted the name na not so basic na parang two bros talking, talk show. Medyo
Typical
not connected pero sticky. Yeah.
Stig. Akala ko it has something to do with drinks. Kasi
Not so.
Okay. Sige, take out your phones.
Okay.
Go to your calculator.
Calculator.
Okay.
Mind blown pa rin ako.
I know.
Putang ina ng calculator.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Birthday.
let's jot down a couple of numbers. Let's start with you.
Okay.
Mention any two-digit number.
Any two-digit number. 69.
Okay, let's type down 69.
Okay.
Press plus.
Plus.
Ikaw naman, gawin nating 3.
3 numbers. 810.
810.
Lalagay ko rin ba yan?
Yeah, lagay
Pati
na.
yung 69 lagay ko.
Pati yung 69 na.
69.
sige.
69 plus 810.
Yeah, tapos plus natin. 4 naman, 2 from you, 2 from you. Sino gusto nyo mauna?
Ako.
Okay, your 2-digit.
1-3.
1-3 and yours?
4-2.
So, 1-3-4-2. Hindi, combine na yun 1-3.
Okay, 1-3-4-2.
1-3-4-2. So, the numbers are 69 plus 810 plus 1-3-4-2.
Okay.
Press equals.
Equals.
Okay.
So, we have 2-2-2-1.
Yes.
Okay. Sige, put down your phones. Press plus.
Okay.
Plus.
Yan. Let's try something random.
Sure.
Okay.
So, igaganon ko with your hand.
Dial any
Yeah,
siguro.
any
Just
number.
tap the screen.
Make sure na nandun ka sa... Yeah. Sige pa. Okay. Alright.
Amen? Okay.
Dagdagan natin. Ikaw naman.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have here 3758-718-784. Sige,
Pwede
yan
natin
yung-
pakita sa cam.
Saan ba tayo?
Guys, yan.
Okay, so yan yung i-plus nyo.
Oh, add sa 2221?
Oo.
Okay.
37...
3758
718
718 784.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, correct.
Alright. Press equals.
Okay.
Mahaba. Iganin natin. Yan.
375
Match.
3,758,721,005.
Yes.
Alright. Pareho tayo.
Yes.
Same.
Okay. So to give you a recap, you both thought of numbers.
Yes.
2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, and a random number at the end.
Yes.
And we came up with this one. 3,758,721,005.
Yes.
Flood control project yan.
Yes.
Alam niyo kung ano yan?
Ano yan?
Yan yung magiging total number of viewers ninyo.
Yan yung
Sige!
gusto ko sa'yo,
Gusto ko yan!
3 billion, yes.
Yeah, prediction.
Prediction, ha?
But no, I've written something down last night.
No way.
Last night.
No way.
So,
Paano yan?
those were all your numbers, right? And this is actually your sum.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, can you please say the number? One number each. One number each.
3.
3. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen.
Nakaprint pa! Nakaprint pa!
Walang sandalang
3,
printer.
7.
And kanina pa yan nandyan?
5.
5.
Kanina pa nga siya dyan.
8.
7.
8 ba yan?
7.
2. 1. 0. 0.
And
5.
you know what? Sobrang saya ko na ito yung naging sum nyo.
Dapat na what?
Gago, nakikita ko na yung mangyayari!
Ito dapat yung maging sum. Ito dapat yung maging result.
Yan talaga.
Alam niyo kung bakit? Focus. We talked about focus kanina. We talked about it, right?
Yes.
Ano yung huli kong tinanong sa inyo before we did this?
Kung bakit sour taste.
Because you have to think of these numbers dahil...
No! What the fuck? What? 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 Ito yung number. 3,758,000,000.
natin pinili.
Tapos,
100% of his brain ginagamit na Jello.
100%!
Oh my...
And yung pinaka
I'm gonna post it here.
ang pinaka na-amaze ako, those are all your numbers.
Oo nga eh. Kala ko mag-guess lang eh. Medyo wild tong okay na ako sa Guinness mong 3 billion.
Ako rin eh. Okay na ako sa 3 billion. Okay, sure. What? Grabe.
And to prove to you na... yan talaga yung
Oh
mangyayari.
my God.
I have something for you guys. A gift.
Gago. What the fuck?
What? Wow.
Basahin yung nasa likod.
Take a sad song
And make it better.
Gago, nagta-time travel to.
Wow.
Nagpo-pause.
Wow. Sobrang
That
speechless.
is top level. Puta.
Thank you.
That's how you end
A podcast.
podcast. Justin, grabe yun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for having me. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for sharing your skills.
Plot twist after plot twist after. Grabe. Wow. Patatu.
Gago, papatatu ko to! Papatatu ko to!
Oh my God. Screenshots.
Ako rin.
Justin,
Wow.
whatever you have, thank you for emailing us.
Yeah. Thank you.
Na
Thank you for
we were very interested to do
Actually,
a mentalist, pero I didn't expect
I
it to
didn't
reach
expect
this.
also for you to answer my email. Thank you for
Hey, we
asking.
will answer any email. But wow.
This is something, as in anong yung
I
kitchen na
did
to,
not
thank you.
expect mentally. Akala ko it's like, wow, I'm speechless.
Hindi tayo makakatulog dito.
Grabe, may bago na akong keychain. As in, wow. Wow.
Yeah, keep forever. Precious to. Justin, grabe.
Thank you.
Yeah. This
Grabe.
is, so one of the things rin why we do the podcast, syempre, is, of course, we love talking to new people. This is also like our diary na rin. Diba?
Yeah.
We can look back at it, see, and review, and watch the people that we've spoken to, share it to our families, friends.
Yeah.
So, wow.
Thank you.
Grabe.
Naka-highlight to. Grabe.
This is
wild.
Wow.
Pleasure
Thank
to
you.
meet you.
Pleasure
and
to meet you both as well.
Experience your gift.
Yeah,
Thank
your
you, thank
gift.
Grabe.
That you worked hard for, you studied, inaral mo siya.
Yeah.
Sure, some people are gifted, but you are also gifted.
Thank you.
You were born with it. You were born
I
with
appreciate
it.
it.
Thank you
Grabe.
for that girl for breaking up with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kung wala yun.
Wala, hindi ko alam
Ano,
ginagawa
baka
ko.
sales ka.
Oo.
Grabe.
Actually,
Yeah.
nag-meet kami ulit. Na nagkasalubong kami somewhere. Naging friends kami ulit. Tapos pinagtatawanan namin, sinasabi ko nga sa kanila, uy, thank you na piniwanan mo ko. Kasi kung hindi ko alam anong ginagawa ko.
Yeah. Grabe how that happens unplanned. I'm sure hindi mo ginusto yun,
Yeah.
but now na parang okay, that had to happen.
I'm
That had
also
to
grateful.
happen.
I'm also grateful.
Sorry, Justin deserves a ube lager.
Oo nga, one
Oh,
beer to cheers.
yeah, let's do it.
Grabe yun Justin.
Thank you.
Oh my God. I like na may souvenir pa tayo that I will keep
Thank you, appreciate it.
forever. Na makakwento ko to future kids, grandkids. Like, you know that keychain na nasa bag ko?
Back in the day.
is rare.
Search this on YouTube. Look how this guy... Baka kilala ka na rin by then.
Actually, family events.
Yeah, you can.
Wild. Oh my God.
Wait, we got a cheers with Justin.
Cheers.
This
Did
is
not expect.
wow. Puro wow na lang no?
Justin.
Cheers, Justin.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Cheers.
having me.
Salamat.
Salamat. Wow.
Yeah. He said my name, I forget my own. Cards on the table, thoughts stripped to the bone. Jake sits frozen, jello laughs, then blinks. Suddenly he's dancing, says, what did you do to me? Hey. He walks in quiet, room starts to spin. I swear I lock my secrets, somehow he gets in.
Justin Pinion, the mental assassin, reading every face like a pattern he's mapping. He can take your will with a snap, you're passive. Scary how he taps in, 100% active.
He can read Jake's mind, he can read Jello's mind, he can read your mind, he can read all minds.
Justin Pinion, the mental assassin.
Watch your thoughts, he's already past them. Smile like a question, eyes like a key. He says one word and you drop to your knees.
Oh yeah.
You swear you're awake, but you're deep in the dream. Saying things you never say, doing things you never believe. He counts to 3 and your doubts disappear. You laugh at your fear till the truth reappears.
Justin Pinion, the mental assassin, reading every face like a pattern he's mapping. He can take your will with the snap, you're passive. Scary how he taps in, 100% active.
He can read Jake's mind, he can read Jello's mind, he can read your mind, he can read all minds.
Justin Pinion, the mental assassin.
Think you're safe, he already asked it.